The purpose of this video is to show you how easily you can print off your data for benchmarks using this one screen, and also using this screen and the drop down menu up here, how you can find what students and what percentage of students in your classes would have been level 1, 2, 3, 4 if the benchmark correlates with the milestones, which we think it does. So here, when you log in, I've asked Sarah Jones to use hers and she gave me permission, so thank you, Sarah. When you log in, over here to the left, you have classes. I have selected Sarah Jones for all of her classes. So you can see she's had 77 kids take this benchmark so far. So when Sarah logs in, this is the screen that she sees for all of her classes. So what I would do if I wanted to print off my benchmark scores for each individual class, I would go and I would choose one class, and this class has 12 students in it. I would go here to show, and instead of subgroup, I'm going to pick standard class rate. And then I can go use the snipping tool, and I can go and I can cut out this area right here, pass rate and all the standards, and I can copy and paste that into a Word document and print off in colored ink, and I have that class period's overall data results. So I would know with that class, I need to go back and teach G4, which is the circumference and area standard of circles, and maybe I didn't get to that standard and I knew it would be low, but I definitely need to go teach that. And I could see that NS2A has been mastered, or P2A had been mastered, and you can also get students to look at data that way. So all I did was go to show and choose standard pass rate. I'm going to go back to where it shows me all of Sarah's classes, and you can see it stays on what you chose already, and now this is for all of her classes, and it looks like a couple of those standards were the same for all of her classes. Okay, the other thing I want to show you in this Screencast-O-Matic is how easily you can find levels 1, 2, 3, and 4 by using this cut score option. So I'm going to click the drop down menu and I'm going to go to custom, and I'm going to choose 56 because earlier in the year we decided 0 through 55 would be our level 1s, 56 through 74 are our level 2s, 75 to 85 are level 3s, and 86 and above are level 4s. So anything under 56 is going to show in red now. So I can see right here that 18.2% would be level 1 if this were the milestones test. 18.2% because I changed cut score to 56 and I have this percentage in red. Now I'm going to change that cut score to 86. And that means anybody, I'm actually going to do 85.9. Anybody higher than 85.9 is going to be in green, and that would be my level 4s. So I have 15.6% in level 4s. I had 18.2 in level 1, and now in green for level 4 I have 15.6%. And I'm also going to send this in steps and words in an email because I'm using the free version of this, so I can't write on the screen. But I would write the steps here, and I will type that up in an email. So now I have to do a little bit of math. I knew that my level 1 before was 18.2%. So now I'm going to change this custom score to be 75. And I'm going to have a new number for red, 57.1. So I'm going to take 57.1 and I'm going to subtract who I already know made below 56. And taking that 18.2 out will give me the number I need for my level 2s, my 56 through 75. So if I subtracted 57.1 from 18.2, I would get 39.9. So I know that my level 2s are 39.9. So to get my level 3s, I'm going to add 18.2, 39.9, and 15.6, the three levels that I know. I'm going to add those together, and then I'm going to subtract that from 100, and that gives me my level 3. And in this case, it would be 28.3. So by using this cut score option and finagling that a little bit, I can find my level 1 and level 4 and set it to 75 and subtract my level 1 to get my level 2s. And then I added my level 1, level 2, and level 4s together, subtracted that from 100 to get my level 3s. So now I have milestone levels that I can talk to my kids. If this were the milestone test, you would have made a level 2. And I can tell them these are the IXL practice sessions you need to do to be able to move from a 2 to the 3 outside of class, along with maintenance sheets and starters and spiral review quizzes. So if you have any questions about this, of course, email me or come see me. But I wanted to share an easy way that you could print your standards in a pretty way, and also be able to talk more than just percentage points with students and talk about it in milestones terms. Thank you.